Before we get into this video, I just want to mention that a percentage of you are not subscribing. I do recommend subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe later. Also, I would also like to add, I know I just said also twice, but that's how it is. That's how important this is. I am streaming on Twitch now, so if you want to come check it out, I'm going to put a link in my bio. Yep, and if you want updates on when I do go live, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's the same exact thing as my YouTube name. The Twitch is the same exact thing as my YouTube name. Squidgy Plays 2. Just put it in search bar and you'll find me. I'll have my YouTube linked to each of these accounts so you'll know that it's me. So let's get right into the video. Today we play random Y8 games and just random games in general, actually, with my niece. Let's go.
Let's milk a cow. Yes.
Milk a cow?
Yes.
Ew.
I don't know the keys, but that's okay. Can you hear the sound on this? Actually, I don't even know if you can hear the sound. Fantastic. Fantastic. It's just Y8 games. Nice. Wait, let me see if you can hear the sound. Oh, sweet Jesus. I can hear the sounds. I can hear the sounds. I can hear the sounds. It's so loud. It's so loud. You can't hear the sound, but it's so loud. The mooing, it's just terrible. Oh my gosh. Okay, go. Just go. Just go. You're doing it wrong. It's this one. Can't you read? Just go. I'm already winning. It's so loud. Wait, hang on. I need to mute this. Oh dear God. I can't mute the mooing. Oh God. I can hear everything. I can hear the elements. Oh gosh. Oh no. This isn't okay. I hate this game already. Oh my gosh, I can just turn the volume down on my headphones. Wow, I am so smart. I won! Am I player 2? Wait, am I player 2? I didn't even know I'm player 2. I'm not paying attention. I hate this game. I'm taking it off. This is I'm player 2. No, I'm not. What is this? You won? You won? This is rigged. This is rigged. I don't care what anyone says. This is rigged. This is rigged. I literally I won that. No, I won. I think that we're going to do this one.
Again?
Again? What are you talking about? We're going to get on. Never mind. I'm not going to say that. I can't say that. That's wildly inappropriate. Oh dear God, is this gonna get loud too? Oh God. Okay. Stop! Stop! You cheater! Stop!
No!
Get down! Get down!
No, never!
Dude! Go! Dude! Why aren't you going down? Oh my gosh! This is cheating. You're cheating.
No.
I got it! Yeah! Wait! Come on! No! Come on! Yes!
No.
There's a point system. This is fantastic. This is just great. Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Why are you being so aggressive? Go!
Okay.
No!
No!
Yes! I am an absolute unit. I am great at this.
No!
I am fantastic at this.
Don't! No!
I'm so good at this. I did not practice before this. I totally did. I didn't practice before this. I'm sorry. Oh wow, just did a.
Yes!
Oh dear God. I broke the fabrics of sound. break the fabric of sound. Go! 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 No! This is not okay. This is not okay.
What I'm doing is just holding.
I like how you're fluttering your feet. That's fantastic. Go! Yes! Ah, yes, of course. Snapping children's necks. Ah, great. If you don't snap theirs, they're just gonna come back and snap yours. That's the greatest advice I can give. Just snap a No, never mind. I'm sorry. I take that back. I'm sorry. Frick! I take that back. Oh dear God. Oh my gosh. Why? What are you doing? Come on. Dude. Just no! The fact that she's catching up to me. This is a child. Chat. This is a child. This is a child. A child is about to beat me in a game. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous! The child is beating me! Help! No! Run! 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 I'm so glad I don't have webcam on. I'm so glad I don't have webcam on. Oh my gosh. This is very interesting. Lovely. We're gonna do something different with this. We're going to kill 10 enemies, and if you don't like scoot over. Okay. This one's mine. Oh, I didn't click 2 players. That's funny. This one's mine. I have to kill 10 people. 10 people 10 times. Yeah. That's what I meant. Oh, I just destroyed that. Remember, I am the purple one. I am the purple one. Okay. Oh wow, I should have gotten this when I was actually near someone. Okay.
Like.
This is great. Come here. Come here. I'm just gonna wait for them.
I can't.
I need you to come here. Not you! If you come to me, I'm gonna kill your character.
You can't.
Okay, this is great. It's the waiting game.
You can't call my character.
Okay. Yes, I can. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna be sparkly. Come here.
No, stop hitting me.
Come here. Oh, wow, this is so much fun. They have shields.
Wait, can you get clothing?
Yes, I got them both. I've never been so happy. Never mind. No, I've never been so happy to kill someone. Wait, stop! Get away from me! That scared me so much. The mammoth! Yes! The mammoth! I love the mammoth! The mammoth is so decked out, like you don't even know.
You can't hit me.
Yes, the mammoth! Get away from me! You cannot take my mammoth away! Get out of here! My mammoth is here to stay! Go away! Mammoth, mammoth, mammoth. No, 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 no. Just no, no, no. My mammoth! My mammoth! He killed my mammoth! This is the mammoth we're talking about. Come here. Dude, come here. I just want to give you a nice introduction to my hammer.
Come on, boy.
Oh, he broke my shield. That's nice.
Want to kill me? You can't.
Oh, wow. I only had 1 shield, apparently.
Do you want to kill me?
Okay.
Act like everyone.
Oh, yes. I am 2 away from killing, winning, I mean. Oh, yes. I'm 1 away. I am 1 away. No, I died!
ran out of time.
Yes,
Okay.
I got one shield.
That's very fun.
Dun, dun,
4
dun,
shields.
dun, dun,
Okay.
dun, dun, dun.
No,
I'm
no,
running.
you don't deserve a mammoth.
I'm running.
Get out of here.
I'm running. I'm running.
Oh, there's a bomb.
How
Okay.
do I, please.
I got a vehicle. I have a vehicle.
Wait, do not kill me.
Mm-hmm. You just died from a bomb.
Yes, I know. I died from a bomb.
Ah, I just killed 3 people in a row, apparently.
Please, stop killing me, everyone.
Oh, frick. I'm on a skateboard. Oh, dear gosh. No! He destroyed my skateboard! Get away from me. You do not have permission to kill me. I don't give you permission to kill me at all. Are you kidding me? That was totally...
Is this boy gonna die or something?
Mammoth! Yes! Ah! I'm so overpowered now. Oh my gosh, this is even better. Yes! Go, Mammoth, go! Go, Mammoth, go! Yes! Yes! Go, Mammoth, go! Yes! Just go in circles. Oh! Oh my gosh, I just won! I just won! This is lovely. This is lovely. I absolutely love this game. Okay, I won a mammoth again.
Oh,
the mammoth is the best thing.
There's no more bombs.
The mammoth is the best thing to get. The mammoth. Dude, I got a frog and he killed my frog! You killed my frog! I just got it! Get away from me! No! He doesn't deserve a mammoth! Get out! Get out! Get away from me! Yes! 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 Go away! But yes!
This guy's gonna kill my...
Ah, I got a mammoth!
He killed my frog!
Ah, I got a mammoth!
And
This is fantastic!
Killed me.
Oh, lovely, lovely!
Bro, why'd you kill my frog?
Wow! 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 Oh dear gosh! My mammoth!
I'm stuck. Please.
Oh, this is fun. This is fun. This is fun.
No.
And you just came across me. Okay.
No.
You almost died.
No, but I have a shield.
Oh, yes. You don't have a shield anymore. I just killed him. Mm-hmm.
Don't kill me.
Oh, you made that mistake. Don't kill my mammoth. Leave my mammoth and I alone. Oh, dear gosh.
I keep getting...
Oh, dear gosh. They're trying to get rid of my mammoth. What did my mammoth do to you? Just don't come near me. Just don't come near me.
I'm just mining Minecraft.
Okay. You got a skateboard.
Yes,
That's fun.
so...
Oh, dear gosh. Stop.
Anyone, come near me.
Oh, dear gosh. My mammoth! My mammoth! You killed my mammoth! Get over here! I need revenge now. Oh, dear gosh. I just died.
Can you...
Oh, great. This is
Why can't we
great.
just have 5 lives?
This is great.
Why can't we just have 5 lives?
This is great.
Please, stop killing me. Like...
Oh!
It's so
I can get my last 2 kills. Perfect. Dude, get over here. Oh, you just ran right into me. Okay.